so Monday morning we're fitting a wee Pyronix kit, so we're going to have the fuse spur and control panel in here, we're going to have a door contact in the back door, trap protection of the PIR here, movement in the lounge, another PIR in the corner offering trap protection. We've got an arming station for coming in and out the front door, and then we're going to have a door contact on here. Moving outside, and then we'll have the external live bell box up here as well. So, check back in a couple of hours and we'll see how we're getting on. It is 9:53, so let's get this party started. Right, so I've just finished this install and it is 10:45. This is our control panel here, we have fuse spur. We've got our back door contact, motion sensor in the kitchen, motion sensor in the living room, arming station, front door on chime, and then we have live external bell, and they opted for a Pyronix doorbell as well, so we're going to do that. Let me show you the programming of the control panel. Really simple system to use. Full set the system, enter your code, defaults to A, yes, all devices are now alarming. Unsetting the alarm, punch in a 4-digit code. Sorry, somebody's phoning me there now, so the camera just jumped off. I'm just going to cancel that call. So night set is your code, and we will be changing this code, is B. This changes the programming of the alarm and it gives you a silent set, and it only chimes at the end to let you know the system has armed. If anybody comes down the stairs now, it will start the timer as opposed to just setting off the alarm, and then all we do is unset again. And then the third set on the alarm is C, and this is for the doors only. Front and back doors not alarmed. Any opportunists come along and try and open the doors, it will set off the alarm. Because it's connected to their phone via the app, it says here, it will dial through their phone if their partner is not in the house or anything like that. So that's it. All done and dusted within an hour. Get the job handed over and we're going to the next one. Thanks.